Hi everyone, Kenzie from OpenWater here. Today we're going to be taking a look at how submitters and reviewers can exchange back and forth feedback within your program. So there's two different views that we're going to be taking a look at. First we have the submitter side, and then next we will have the reviewer side. So to start, your submitters or your applicants will come in and fill out your submission form. So in this case, I just have a couple fields to agree to. And then on my second page here, we have auto-filled information from my account. And then I need to upload my PDF. And then additionally, I will need to upload my video or voiceover here as well. So I'll just quickly select a couple files to upload. And then we can just finally select our category and save and finalize. Now, at this point, you'll need to ensure that the submission is assigned to a judge. So we're going to hop over to the judge side in just a moment here. Okay, so now I'm logged in as my reviewer, and I'm just going to go into my assignments, and there I can see the submission that was just put in, and we're going to check this one out and see if there needs to be any changes made here. So we can see the PDF that I have, a quick preview, and then as well as once the video loads, there'll be a preview, or I can just click on it. But in this case, I'm thinking that maybe they uploaded the wrong PDF, so I'm just going to say PDF is the correct upload. Just let them know that they uploaded the wrong PDF. And then for the comments, I can put, so just a positive thing to say about their video. And now that I've uploaded my comments, I can save and go back to list. And now we can see I've completed this assignment. If there's multiple, they just either have incomplete or complete. And now at this point, the submitter will actually receive an email, which I'll pull up in a second here, that will allow them to be notified that they've received feedback. So I'll just pull that up here now. Okay, so here is the email that the submitter will receive. So you can see this is just the template that I've configured. So it's Mackenzie, you have received the following feedback, and then it shows the two different fields that the reviewers can fill out. So PDF is the incorrect upload. So I'm like, oh, I guess I need to go back and check that out. And then at the bottom here, I have a quick link to update my submission. So we'll just press that, and then we will go and make that change. Okay, so now the page is loaded. So that's the direct link right from the email. And we can see I'm back at my application from the email itself. And then I can just click here to make edits. I can open that up and then I can go, oh yeah, that's definitely the wrong PDF. So I can delete that and then choose a different file to upload. So in this case, we will just do the same one just as it's my test PDF. In this case, we know that, okay, we can let this load and then we can check it out. We can go, oh yeah, that's definitely the correct PDF this time. And now all we need to do is press done at the bottom here. And now the reviewers will also receive a notification that I've made those updates and they can go back and check them out. So I'll pull up that email here in a second. Okay, so here's the email. This one's pretty basic. It's just Mackenzie Clark has updated their submission. Click here to review it. So we'll just click that link and open it up. And now we're back in the reviewing assignment as the reviewer again. So I can see, okay, this PDF looks a little bit better. So if I want, I can change my comment here if needed, or we can just save them back to list. You could also configure this to have a quick drop down that says needs changes, looks good, or no changes needed, for example. And those are all the different ways that you can have the feedback going back and forth. So next, I want to talk about some of the limitations that could potentially arise. So to start, we can't show the change history on the submission form. So if someone were to change the PDF, we wouldn't know that that change was necessarily made or what it was beforehand specifically. The submission also needs to remain open for editing, so that way the applicants or submitters can actually come back and make those changes as needed. You can do that on an individual basis or everyone in the program, but it does have to remain open for them to actually make those changes. Next, these are automated system emails, so no matter what, all of the reviewers who are assigned will get those emails that it's been updated, and the submitter will, of course, always get the email that they've been scored. So if it's scored a second time, even if it's good to go, it'll still let them know that it's been scored and send that out. And of course, the review must be completed to actually trigger the email. So if you are using draft mode, for example, and you have numerous numeric fields as well, they will all have to be filled out and they will have to save that assignment and actually have it completed. So those are all the limitations. If you'd like to learn more about this, please feel free to head to learn.openwater.com or reach out to your support rep. Thanks.